Is your child having repeated illnesses? Does your child have symptoms like cold, cough, running nose, noisy breathing at the night? That's a clinical pattern worth investigating. So recurrent respiratory infections, tonsillitis, ear infections and chest congestion in children often points towards one of three things: an underlying immune deficiency, adenoid or tonsillar hypertrophy causing repeated bacterial seeding. It can be due to an undiagnosed allergy-driven chronic inflammation. So each one has a different management pathway. So here at Stepcare, we do it very much differently. We go to evidence-based healthcare, where from CBC with the differential immunoglobulin levels to allergy screening, and if required, ENT assessment, ophthal assessment, everything is available. So here at Stepcare, we do it right. So do come down, get your child checked.